Hello, today we're going to talk about the what is the default key enabled features of a PTP820 radio. Within the 820, we have three different product line: 820S, 820C, and 820G. They share the common operation system. They also have a lot of feature functions across the board. From the default key enabled features point of view, C and S, they share the same thing, and G is slightly different. So let's take a look. For 820 C and S, when you get a brand new radio from factory, you will get a capacity key for up to 10 megabits. There is no ACM, although we're not charging for ACM features, but you do need to apply the new capacity key with ACM, and then you will have the ACM feature there. So by default, your capacity is capped by 10 megabits. In addition, we also offer you one single GIGI port for traffic. It can be either a copper or fiber, meaning is if you're using the PoE for traffic, then that is your default GIGI port. If you are not using the GIGI PoE port for your traffic, you can use the GIGI port for the PoE port for just the PoE, and using a separate fiber port for your traffic. In that case, you do not need to buy a separate license key for GIGI port. It does offer a single management service and unlimited smart pipe service. It also offers the full QoS and lag protocol. There's no synchronization, so for any feature in addition to the list here, you do need to buy a new license key and generate a new license key and apply it. Very similar between G and versus CNS. So everything else except are the same, except for the single management service, 820G also offers MSTP protocol for this management service. In addition, because 820G, you have the option to have up to 16 T1E1. So we also support unlimited native TDM service as well on 820G. So when you get a new radio, that is features you're gonna have. And when you apply a new license key, so you put using the serial numbers of the radio and go to our support webpage to cut the license key, and then you apply that activation key into here, and then this will enable new features, new capacities, ACM, and all other things for the radio. Let's see, for whatever reason, you want to reset the radio back to factory default mode. And you could do the, in the management side, there is a reset to factory default, but that will not reset two things. One is the radio's IP address, the other one is the license key. So the way to restore the license key area to default is you put a word, actually a string default activation key into this area, and then click apply. It will reset radio license key into the factory default mode. All right, that's it we want to cover today. Thank you.